Assalamu alaikum. This is our final year project. The title is AI Chatbot application. This is an Android application. Myself, Sharjil Ul Hassan, and this is my group head, Muhammad bin Naeem, and our supervisor is Dr. Salia Masood. First of all, this is our introduction of web application, AI application. The number one is chatting in between human being and bot. In this application, the chatting will be possible of human being or real person and a bot. This is AI chatbot, and this is application in Java, Python API. API is basically used Python API, which will be integrated with Java of Android Studio. And using NLP, natural language processing, and some models and algorithms of AI. Then last is chatting is just like to real persons. For example, a human being will message like how are you, then bot will reply according to the question, and this response is not like the person is not a real person. This is not a bot, like the bot reply in a sense of real person. This is me. The basic aims of the AI chatbot application is to release some stress of humans. For example, a person is sad, so if the reason behind this is कि हमारे पास he cannot share something with third person, so he will share his feeling or her feeling with the bot, and after sharing feeling, he or she will feeling relaxed or some happy mode. So this is the basically main purpose or aim of the chatbot. These are our main functionalities. Number one, login. Login. Human will log in to enter in application. If he is not he have no details of login. So he will register first, then again login, and then start chat with the port. And if he want to uninstall or whatever, he cannot. He wants sign out, so he will simply log out the button. These are workable solutions, means external links and softwares. Uh, First of all, we will discuss software. Softwares are used in this application: Android Studio in Java, Visual Code used for Python, and Firebase database is used for the cloud-based database. Now the left side is external links. This is local host server and Python API. It means when we can say Android Studio code is in Java, and Java and Python are not compatible directly, so we have to use API of Python, and this API is linked or placed at server, localhost server, or it will be a paid server, but we use localhost server till now. Now, this local host server will respond according to the human being question. For example, human being will say, "How was the weather?" Yeah, how is the weather? So, this input is sent to the Python API, and then Python API is placed at localhost, and localhost will respond as an output like the weather is very cloudy. So, this is a response that's shown in the Android Studio application, means the application. So these are the software external links, the combination. And these are AI libraries. Basically, AI involves NLP, natural language processing, uh, and this NLP is basically used for voice recognition. Means, for example, I would say something. So NLP is a technique where both or the chatting or the coding will be converted voice into the text form. So this is the basically purpose of the NLP. Number second is transfer language model is used. Why we use this model? This model is used, for example, I would say, how are you? So how are you are three words. So these three words are combined to make a one sentence. So this one sentence is input. So this is just because of the transfer language model. Number third, dialogue GPT. Dialogue GPT is a basically in-link, or I would say AI processing in between human and bot. Human and bot will respond according to the dialogue GPT to each other. Number last is transformers model is used For example, I would say some question to the bot, and bot will respond according to this. And again, I would say something, and again, bot will respond. So this sequence, or I would say this chatting conversation is managed from, yeah, by transformers model. These are our interfaces. Number one, this is our splash screen chatbot. And after this splash screen, after three microseconds, this will go to the welcome to a chatbot application. After this, we have two options: login or register. If you have already constraints, so you should log in. You can enter phone number and password, and then you enter the chatting zone. And if you have no login details, so you should have first register yourself, and these are the terms or conditions that you have to follow. This is your picture, and this is your name, email, password, and the phone number. Now create account, you should click this button, and you will go to the sign up. You have received OTP, uh, XYZ. This is a 6-digit OTP you have received in your mobile number that you have placed at your this field. And after the you should verify through Firebase, whatever. And the last one is you have to enter into the login, and then you will enter chatting state with both. So these are the references basically. Firebase is a reference that we have to use for cloud-based database, and these are some YouTube links that we have follow some tutorials for the development of this application. So this is our data that we have registered. A person who will register, so that this whole data is added here one by one thoroughly, and then onward, I would say this is our coding part. This is all about Python. Coding part means a chatbot coding in Python language. So these are some scripts that is not written in the uh, GPT library. So these are some libraries that we entered with respect to us. Basically, I would say some example. Look at this. This is Alif case. Where you said who are you, you should say who are you, then the bot will reply. For example, I am chatbot created by Comsian. I am Comsian, so I would say I'm chatbot. Chatbot will respond to application that I am a chatbot and I am created by Comsian. So this script is not written in the GPT library, so that's why we embed it by ourselves by training data one by one. And this is our coding part. So this is our whole presentation. Thank you so much.